Oh my gosh, ladies, you cannot tell me that this does not look real. Look at these natural edges. Look at that hairline. Oh my gosh, if you have not seen the new natural edge, oh my gosh, the natural edge wig. Yes, these are wigs with natural edges. Look at this, ladies. Once you install the wig, cut the lace off, you have some natural edges. Oh my God, wigs will never be the same after this. This wig is absolutely gorgeous, natural looking, no glue, no thick lace, just a natural hairline with some natural looking edges. Oh my gosh, I am loving this. If you have not tried you a natural edge wig, you got to try it. I never thought a wig could look this real. Again, no glue. No glue is needed. And it could come on and off. Just as simple and easy. Very low maintenance. Even the texture looks natural. Look at the texture. The texture of these wigs are absolutely beautiful. Again, if you have not tried it, you have to go try you a natural edge wig. Thanks to the ultra thin HD lace and the natural edge design, again, wigs will never be the same. And once you melt this, if you melt this lace, oh my gosh, it's going to be flawless, just seamless. Even your friends and your family will probably have to do a double take. I can't even tell myself. Yes, these wigs are the truth. Again, if you haven't tried it, get out, try one. They come in all different lengths. They come in all different textures. You can get straight, you can get wavy, you can get curly. I mean, they are gorgeous. Look at this one. Oh my gosh. Look how natural this looks. This is a straight natural edge wig. Look at all the different versatility styles that you can wear. I tell you, ladies, if you haven't tried it, go try one. It's worth it.